The Maruti Suzuki Alto has retained its crown as the country's best-selling car for the 16th consecutive year. The hatchback has rather consistently remained the choice for first-time car owners. The first-generation Maruti Suzuki Alto was launched during the September of 2002 and has witnessed an increasing rise in popularity over close to 2 decades. The Alto first became India's best-selling car in 2004. No other vehicle has been mass accepted like Maruti's hatchback. Acceptance by the masses has resulted in the car remaining the largest selling model in a highly competitive segment over the last 16 years. Maruti Suzuki said that the Alto has been adapted and reinvented over the years in order to stay relevant in a very fast-evolving domestic car market. The brand says that the Alto is a winner because of its blend of a compact modern design, easy maneuverability, high fuel efficiency, and its safety features. Featuring a new Aero Edge design and new age safety features, the Alto offers a fantastic ownership experience. The brand's current models feature a new front grille, a redesigned bumper, and a large central air dam. While the new models look more or less like its previous models, Maruti has removed the 800 badging. The vehicle is either powered by a BS6 compliant 796cc 3-cylinder petrol engine or CNG engine, both of which produce 48 brake horsepower and 69 Nm of torque. The engine comes mated to a 5-speed manual transmission. Features on the Maruti Suzuki Alto include a dual-tone dashboard, a double DIN infotainment system, and USB, Bluetooth and aux connectivity. Top-of-the-line variants also feature keyless entry, central door locking, power windows at the front, and internally adjustable ORVMs, among others. Safety features include ABS with EBD, driver's side airbags, a seat belt reminder system, a high-speed alert system, and reverse parking sensors, all offered now as standard. Available in 8 variants and 6 colors, the Maruti Suzuki Alto models are priced between Rs 3 lakh and Rs 4.37 lakh ex-showroom India. Thank you for watching DriveSpark. Like, share and subscribe to stay in the know of the latest happenings in the auto industry.